What is up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Yeada here. For those of you that are new, if you are new and you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as that bell link. That way you are notified every single time that I post a new video. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, y'all, I am finally taking down my Christmas tree. Like, today is literally January 16th and I'm just not taking down my Christmas tree. But it's okay because some people still have their Christmas lights on. It's crazy. But anyway, so that is what we're going to be doing today, as well as cleaning up. So if you guys want to see the whole process from beginning to end, then go ahead and keep watching this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe and share, and let's go ahead and get started. y'all see me struggling trying to get that tree down. It was so big, like I swear my body is probably gonna be sore tomorrow because I was struggling, okay? And then getting this glitter up off the floor, like my back hurt. I'm out of breath, like I'm so out of shape. But anyways, I'm about to put these boxes here into my little storage closet, and then I still got find a space for this. And then I still have a few stuff in boxes from Christmas that I need to take upstairs to the room. So yeah, I'm about to get ready to, I'm gonna put those up and then put my furniture back the way it was. I'm trying to debate if I wanna keep, sorry, excuse all the junk, but if I wanna keep my chair, I kinda like my chair over there, but it's just so much dead space over here to where it's like something, it just looked like it's missing. So I'm gonna have to just move the chair back over here and call it wonderful. So let's go ahead and do that. gonna wrap up today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If so, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, leave a comment down below if you guys want to see more clean with me videos. Make sure you guys are subscribed if you're not already subscribed. Join the Glamour Squad. Hit that bell link, that way you are notified every single time that I post new content. Follow me on Instagram at glamour_chick, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.